Welcome to your asynchronous lesson for today. I posted a discussion in Schoology where you're going to be simply exploring some resources related to plate tectonics. And for each of those three sources, you want to just write one brief fact or observation about either rocks or features or plate tectonics or some variety of those three ideas. The first resource that you can explore is a plate tectonic boundary map that's interactive from National Geographic. It is color-coded in terms of convergent, divergent, transform, or unknown plate boundaries. And when you click each plate boundary, it will tell you about the relative distribution of, let's see if I can make this go away. And I lost it. So you might have to reload it, but it will show you the different plate boundaries. And when you click on the plate boundary, you can see the relative distribution of different types of volcanoes formed on that type of plate boundary, which might be useful for you thinking about your relative location. So maybe you're in the Andes. When you look at the Andes, it's a convergent plate boundary. A lot of the volcanoes are composite, or some are cinder cone. But then if you go over to, for example, a divergent plate boundary, you will see a very different distribution of volcanoes. That might be useful for you thinking about where are my mountains currently, where did my mountains form, and what does that mean for the types of rocks in them. The second and third articles that I gave you are really big, so I'm not expecting you to look at all of them. But the first one is all about the motion of plate tectonics. So this is a story map, which means it's going to have interactive maps and videos, and this is really just a chance for you to feel good about different ideas maybe related to plate tectonics, how the plate driving process occurs, how we can look at age of different rocks, how we can measure motion, earthquakes, volcanoes. So again, you're just going to be taking parts of this to think about what interests you. And then the last article that you can take a look at is paleogeography, which is the study of the past geological cycles of the world. So this is going to be taking a look at how the continents and plate tectonics have shifted over time, how we have evidence for this, but also this is kind of weird and freaky to think about Pangea Proxima. What is the world going to look like in 50 million years? Or further in terms of the plates coming back together to form another quote-unquote supercontinent. Tomorrow we will be spending some time making sure you feel good about doing your rock candy lab next week. If you have any questions, please let me know and enjoy your day.